And welcome to Music Education for All. My name is Mark Fendel. I'm a professional saxophone player here in Seattle. This is my 2019 intro video. This is going to be a little bit longer video than I usually make. So welcome to my channel. I started this channel in 2011 and I've made all kinds of videos, mostly about saxophone. If you're a new saxophonist, I can take you from just even putting the horn together all the way through about intermediate range. That is learning all the notes and just about everything that you need to know to kind of get going. That's really the main kind of videos that are here. Along with that are another series of videos that I made regarding reading music and counting. And my philosophy kind of goes like this: if you can count the music, then you should be able to fill in the notes. So I've really devoted a lot of time in the last several years making videos to learn how to count. So hopefully you'll find that beneficial if that's why you're here. I also made a lot of videos about harmony and scales and other things. And what else? A little bit about me. I graduated from Berklee College of Music many years ago. I moved to Seattle and I've lived here for about 24 years now. And I just love it here. There's lots of great musicians, so sometimes I put some of my music and other folks, local music up on this channel. So I hope you enjoy those videos. This channel is about honesty. It's about reciprocity, and it's very intentional about giving back, and as us long distance hikers like to say, paying forward. So my goal is to make lots of videos and share what I have learned, and do that the best I can. I think 2019 is going to be a great year. I really want to share a lot of new videos with you. I have some new ideas about some videos I'd like to make with other teachers and hear their philosophy of teaching. And so join me, hit that subscribe button, and I hope you have a great 2019, and I hope that I can bring you some really fun content and some meaningful lessons. And thank you so much for being here. Cheers.